1. Noun basics. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, idea, or feeling. Person: woman, children, Dr. Smith, Mrs. Williams. Place: downtown, the beach, Boston, Dallas. Thing: a cup, a drink, Pepsi-Cola, Delta Airlines. Idea/feeling: honesty, friendship, happiness, anger. 2. Count nouns. Nouns that name things you can count are called count nouns. Count nouns can be singular or plural. Singular: a pencil, some, a quiz, 10, my baby, one child, many. Plurals: pencils, quizzes, our babies, children. 2.1 Singular count nouns. All singular count nouns must have an article, a, an, they, or some other determiner before them. Determiner without a descriptive adjective with a descriptive adjective. Articles: a cat, a black cat. Possessive: my class, my worst class. Demonstrative: that book number, that interesting book. Number one reason, one specific reason. Quantifier: each problem, each serious problem. Do not use a singular count noun without an article or other determiners. Incorrect: black cat, worst class, interesting book. Correct: a black cat, my worst class, an interesting book. In some idiomatic expressions, no article is used. Have dinner, in school, on vacation, at home, at work, by phone. 2.2 Plural count nouns. To make a noun plural, you usually add s. Book dash, books, eraser dash, erasers, subject dash, subjects. If a noun ends in s, ss, x, ch, sh, or z, we add es to make the plural form, asterisk. Bus dash, buses, kiss dash, kisses, toolbox dash, toolboxes. Switch dash, switches, bush dash, bushes, quiz dash, quizzes. Asterisk exception: when the final ch sounds like /k/, just add s. Stomach dash, stomachs. 2.3 Other spelling changes in noun plurals. Some nouns change their spelling to form the plural. Nouns that end in y. When the letter before y is a vowel, a, e, I, o, u, just add s to form the plural. Boy dash, boys, day dash, a days, bay dash, bays. When the letter before y is a consonant, change y to I and add es. Baby dash, babies, city dash, cities, lady dash, a ladies. Nouns that end in f or fe. The ending f or fe changes to vs to form the plural. Shelf dash, shelves, knife dash, knives, leaf dash, a leaves. Nouns that have the same form for singular and plural. One sheep dash, two sheep, one deer dash, two deer, one fish dash, three fish. One series dash, two series, one species dash, 10 species. Nouns with consonant plus o ending. Add es to form the plural. Hero dash, heroes, potato dash, potatoes, echo dash, echoes, mosquito dash, mosquitoes. Nouns that have irregular spellings for the plural form. Mouse dash, mice, child dash, a children, person dash, people. Man dash, men, woman dash, women. Goose dash, geese, foot dash, feet, tooth dash, teeth. Lesson 11. Articles a and n. The articles a and n are used only before singular count nouns. Specifically, use a and n with singular count nouns that are not specific and are being mentioned for the first time. A dictionary has thousands of words and their meanings. A cat has whiskers. An umbrella is necessary when it rains hard. Use a before a word, noun, or adjective plus noun that begins with a consonant sound. A dictionary. A big dictionary. Use in before a word, noun, or adjective plus noun that begins with a vowel sound. An orange. An expensive orange. Remember that words beginning with the letters H, or you can be tricky. Some of these words use A and some use N, depending on the beginning sound of the word. A bouse. An hour. House begins with the consonant sound /H/, but hour begins with a vowel sound. The letter H is silent in the word hour. A university. An uncle. University begins with the consonant sound /Y/, but uncle begins with a vowel sound. Lesson 12. Non-count nouns. Nouns that cannot be counted are called non-count nouns. Non-count nouns can refer to ideas, intelligence, peace, honesty, importance. Sports, tennis, football, running, swimming. Terms in nature, snow, thunder, electricity, water. Subjects, mathematics, engineering, English, history. Collective words, luggage, furniture, advice, homework. Do not use a or an with a non-count noun. Do not make a non-count noun plural. Incorrect. A homework, many furnitures, a male, some equipments. Correct. Homework, furniture, male equipment. When the subject of a sentence is a non-count noun, remember to use the third-person singular verb form. This is the same verb form that goes with the subject it. Incorrect. Bread are my favorite snack. Correct. Bread is my favorite snack. Lesson 13. The article the. The article the is used before nouns at different times. Use the when you are talking about something specific. General. Everyone has an identification card. Specific. The identification card that you have is light blue. Use the with the superlative form of an adjective, which means with the word most or least or with the ending est. Comparative. In a jewelry store, gold is more expensive than silver. Superlative. In a jewelry store, diamonds are the most expensive material. Comparative. In our class, Jan is tall, but Mark is taller. Superlative. In our class, Ricky is the tallest student. Use the for the second and all other references to a noun. First reference. We watched a video in our history class yesterday. Second reference. The video lasted for about 20 minutes. When you want to talk about a category or group in general, use no article. General. Tigers are fierce animals. Specific. The tigers in our local zoo are fierce. Use the when the speaker and the listener are talking about the same specific item. General. Every kitchen has a refrigerator. Specific. William. Don't forget to close the refrigerator. Use the for the parts of something. Exception. Do not use the for body parts. General. In a kitchen, there is a refrigerator, a stove, and a clock. Parts. I went to Mary's new house last night. Her kitchen is beautiful. The refrigerator is silver, the stove is black, and the clock above the door has extremely big numbers on it. Do not use the before abstract nouns such as feelings or ideas. Incorrect. The honesty is important. Correct. Honesty is important. Do not use the with the word when you want to express a general meaning of the word. Incorrect. My favorite color is the blue. Correct. My favorite color is blue. Incorrect. I like the ice cream. I love the chocolate, but I don't like the vanilla. Correct. I like ice cream. I love chocolate, but I don't like vanilla. Lesson 14. Quantifiers with count and non-count nouns. Quantifiers are expressions of the quantity that tell how much or how many. 1. Use a few, many/a lot of with plural count nouns. 2. Use a little, much/a lot of with non-count nouns. Incorrect. A little books, a few money, much people, many homeworks. Correct. A few books, a little money, many people, much homework. Remember, the phrase a lot of is correct with both count and non-count nouns. Avoid using much in affirmative statements, even with non-count nouns. Unusual. We have much homework for tomorrow. Correct. We do not have much homework for tomorrow. Better. Informal, we have a lot of homework for tomorrow. Better. Formal, we have a great deal of homework for tomorrow. Lesson 15. Functions of nouns in a sentence. A noun can have 3 important functions in a sentence. A noun can be a subject, a direct object, or an object of a preposition. Subject: Mrs. Williams is 80 years old. Direct object: because it was her birthday, we called Mrs. Williams. Object of a preposition: I talked about Mrs. Williams with my family. Nouns as subjects. One function of a noun is the subject of a sentence. The subject of a sentence is the noun or pronoun that does the action of the verb. The subject can be a single word, such as rock, or a noun phrase. A noun phrase consists of a noun and all the words that go with it, such as a heavy gray rock. Kangaroos jump incredibly high. A kangaroo has a very special tail. They use their long, heavy tails for balance. To find the subject, first find the verb, the action word, in the sentence. Then ask, who or what does the action of the verb? The answer will be the subject. Kangaroos jump incredibly high. Question: what is the action word? Answer: jump equals action equals verb. Question: who or what jump? Answer: kangaroos equals doer of action equals subject. 2. Nouns as direct objects. A sentence often has a noun after the verb. This noun is called the direct object. The direct object tells who or what receives the action of the verb. Monkeys eat bananas. Question: what is the verb? Answer: eat equals action equals verb. Question: who or what eats? Answer: monkeys equals doer of action equals subject. Question: what does the monkey eat? Answer: bananas equals receiver of action equals direct object. 3. Nouns os objects of prepositions. The third function of a noun in a sentence is the object of a preposition. The object of a preposition is found within a prepositional phrase, which usually consists of a preposition and the words that go with it. X. Susan walked to the supermarket in the morning. To the supermarket, prep plus object. In the morning, prep plus object. A preposition may be followed by a noun or a pronoun and the words that go with it. The noun can be a concrete noun, an abstract noun, or a verb used as a noun gerund. I went to the bank. Bank equals concrete noun. I believe in complete honesty. Honesty equals abstract noun. I am in favor of taking a break now. Taking equals verb used as noun equals gerund. I gave the money to him yesterday. Him equals pronoun. Lesson 16. Possessive forms of nouns. There are 2 ways to show the possessive of nouns in English. One way is with an apostrophe and the letter s. The other way is with the preposition of. Consider the differences between these 2 possessive forms. For people, a singular noun that does not end in s, add s. The boy has a book equals the boy's book. The boy has books equals the boy's books. A plural noun that ends in s, add apostrophe. The boys have 1 book equals the boy's book. The boys have many books equals the boy's books. An irregular plural noun, add s. The children have a book equals the children's book. People have opinions equals people's opinions. A name that ends in s, add s. Chris has a laptop equals Chris's laptop. Charles has 2 bikes equals Charles's bikes. For things, use of instead of s. A table has a top equals the top of the table. A book has a title equals the title of the book. Exceptions. We use S for time words and nature words. Today's newspaper is on the table. The sun's rays provide us with warmth and vitamin D.